to the channel. So I could not be more excited for the video we have today. Today we're going to be unboxing a new 24-inch iMac. So I just got back from the Apple store, just picked it up. I got the blue version. I'm going to go through and unbox it and get it set up and kind of walk you guys through that. So I ended up getting the base model in blue. If you want to see more of the specs and me kind of discuss why I chose the base model, because there's a very specific reason for that. Stay tuned more towards the end of the video. I don't want to make this intro any longer than it needs to be because I'm excited just to start digging into this thing. So I'm going to strap on the POV cam on my head and we're going to just jump straight into opening this thing up and getting it set up. Alright, so I've got the POV cam on. You can see on the box, this is the back side. This is the darker blue, which looks really cool. So I saw this in the Apple store while I was there, and I just love the color. The other color that really popped to me, and this was my second choice, was purple. So both of them look awesome. Pretty much, you really can't go wrong with any of the colors. You can see on the side view just how skinny this thing is. I mean, it basically looks like an iPad from the side. And then this is the front. You get the blue color on the bottom, and you'll see, you know, with the chin and everything, this is definitely follows the iMac design language. One of the really cool features is the fabric handle you get on top, which is nice for carrying that around. Start here. We're upside down. You take the two sides, pop this open. Oh, there it is. There's the blue stand. Oh man, it is so light. Like, you hear about how light it is, and then feeling it in person is really a different experience. Set that off to the side there. Then we've got the accessories, the blue keyboard, the blue braided power cord, it's the blue USB-C to lightning cable for charging the accessories. The power cord. This is the Magic Mouse. Now, I've said I'm not a fan of the Magic Mouse, and I'm not, but I think I'll be able to add a blue trackpad to this later. You can add them right now on apple.com if you're ordering through there, but it does add extra time to the delivery date. So this was just the off-the-shelf order from the Apple store. All right, so that goes back together nicely. This back up. Right, we've got our box back intact. Let's start setting this baby up. Best part here. It really is just a pretty piece of hardware, like you would expect from really any Apple device. One more piece of plastic on the back here. And wow, that dark blue looks really awesome. For a while I was torn on the green and the blue, and in the end I was torn on the purple and the blue, and I'm really glad I went with blue. But purple is definitely a solid choice as well. I mean, it really makes you wish that they carried this darker color down to the rest of it too, but it really looks fantastic. Alright, so we got the keyboard. The blue color looks really nice on this, as well as the matching one on the mouse. I'd have to say it's really just, next level that even the cables match the computer. Very well thought out design choice on Apple's part. So here we got the magnet connection, which is also in blue. Alright, so we're going to pop this in back here, just sticks, which is really nice. Takes a little bit of force to pull it out. Yeah, you definitely have to give her a good tug. It doesn't just come out right out like the old MagSafe connectors for the MacBooks. Alright, so the base model on this does mean you only get two Thunderbolt ports here. If you go for the mid-tier or the higher tier one, you get 4. But either way, if you have many things you're plugging in through USB-C, you're probably going to need a USB-C dock, which you can add relatively inexpensively. Also with the base model, you get 256 gigs of storage, which is fine with me. I mean, I think that's plenty for the machine itself, because it's very easy to increase that with external SSDs, like this one, which I picked this one up for like $150, I think. Samsung has something very similar to this that's like right around 120, so you can add a terabyte of storage, and I actually edit videos off of these, so they're really fast, relatively inexpensively, much cheaper than doing it through Apple when you build these. The other thing you don't get on the base model is there's no Touch ID on this keyboard, which is not a big deal to me, but just something to keep in mind if you're picking up the base model. Alright, so we've got everything set up. I've got YouTube open. I want to see how the speakers sound, because that's one of the things everyone...
How much is that car worth?
Wow.
Try Bumper before you buy. Search a VIN, and you can find accident records, recalls.
And we are back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back from Utah.
Wow, so I don't know how it comes through the camera, but the speakers are actually pretty impressive for how small this machine is. And if you look at it, it just looks like a giant iPad. It's kind of crazy how small and thin that is. but the color on the back is definitely a standout. So if you can have it in a spot in your house where it can actually kind of be on display, it's definitely a plus. I know that this machine, they were definitely going for something that's meant to be in like a kitchen or a living room, and definitely has a nice aesthetic to it. Alright, so that does it for the setup of our new iMac. That's where we're going to leave this video. I'm definitely going to be digging into this, getting it all, the apps set up the way I want it, and set up the way I need it for doing work and making content and all that. And definitely going to be comparing it to my 15-inch MacBook Pro with i9, and just kind of seeing how it compares. So I did mention in the beginning of the video at the base model, and I had planned on getting more of an upgrade version. Like I was planning on getting the mid-tier and then bumping the RAM up to 16 gigs to match what I've got in my laptop currently, because all the development tasks and stuff I do, that's kind of what I need as far as kind of day-to-day work. So the reason I got the base model is my plan with this one is eventually this is going in the kitchen upstairs for my wife to use for recipes and watching TV and stuff in the kitchen. What I wanted to see first and get this into the office and kind of use this day to day is see what the performance is like, because eventually if I end up liking this, which I'm guessing is probably going to be the case, I'd like to get one for the office full time. And the question I want to answer is, can I get by with just the base model, or do I need to go for the little bit more upgraded one? The price difference between this one and the one I was looking at was this one was $1,300, making the upgrades I wanted to, that would bump it up to $1,700. So you're talking like a $400 price difference. So that's why I wanted to get this one in the office, try it out first, and then if I feel like it's necessary, go ahead and order the other one. Because just even looking at Apple's website, that if I did kind of customize one and order it, it's not going to be here till roughly 1st to middle of July already. So this will give me some time with this one to kind of decide what it is I want to do exactly with the next one. The other thing that I got to consider is the Apple Developers Conference is coming up this next week, and they're saying they're going to announce like new MacBooks and stuff. So just kind of give me a chance to see what the other new Apple products that are going to be coming out this year, and just give me a little time to decide what I want to get next. But yeah, I'm super excited to get into this. I've been looking forward to this for a long time, really since they announced these here not too long ago. After I've had a chance to kind of get it set up how I want it and start using it day to day, I'll probably do an update video to kind of let you guys know what I think about this. The first task for this iMac is going to be to edit this video you're watching now. So if you're seeing this, that means all went well. All right, that's going to wrap things up for today. I will catch you guys in the next one.